Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to your daily pre-market report. Today is Monday, 15 December 2025, and in this video, we will quickly look into Friday's FII DII data, global market cues, GIFT Nifty indication, important business news, and finally, what kind of market opening we can expect today. So let's just get started. Let's first talk about Friday's institutional activity because that sets the tone for today. On Friday, domestic institutional investors were net buyers worth 2,828 crores. On the other hand, FIIs were net sellers at 396 crores. This clearly tells us one thing. Domestic money continues to support the Indian market, even though foreign investors are still cautious. Whenever DIIs consistently buy on dips, it helps the market protect key levels. So, structurally, the Indian market still looks stable, but near-term volatility remains. Now, let's look at a global cues from Friday. Global markets closed mixed. Nasdaq was down by 406 points and S&P 500 was down by 73 points. And currently, Dow Jones future is at 163 points up as investors react to economic data and central bank signals. So, US markets ended slightly lower as traders booked profit at higher levels. European markets were mostly subdued amid growth concerns. Asian markets showed mixed performance with investors remaining cautious. Overall, the global sentiment is not a risk on, but it is also not a panic situation. Markets globally are in a wait and watch mode, and this cautious mood is likely to reflect in today's Indian market opening. Now, the most important cue for today's opening, the GIFT Nifty. As of this morning, GIFT Nifty is trading at 26,052 and it is down by around 83 points. This clearly indicates that Indian markets may open weak to negative today. However, remember, a weak opening does not mean a full week day. We need to closely watch whether the market holds key support levels after opening. Now, let's talk about important business and market related news that investors should track for today. Firstly, there is a continued focus on India's export growth strategy, with the government pushing for expansion into newer global markets. This could remain positive for sectors like engineering goods, pharmaceuticals, specialty chemicals, and manufacturing companies. Second, last week saw pressure on heavyweight stocks which resulted in erosion in overall market capitalization. This means stock specific action will remain high, especially in large cap names. Third, infrastructure related spending and policy momentum continues to support the long term India growth story. Even though short-term volatility may persist, so overall the news flow is mixed, not negative, but definitely cautious. Now, coming to the market outlook, because of weak global cues and lower GIFT Nifty, we may see a soft opening in Nifty and Sensex. Immediate support zone around 25,900 and 26,000. Resistance zone around 26,200 and 26,300. If Nifty holds above support after the opening, we could see intraday recovery attempts. But if support breaks decisively, then profit booking pressure may increase. So today is more about price behavior and levels, not aggressive positions. So to summarize today's pre-market outlook, DIIs are strongly supporting the market, FIIs remain cautious sellers, global cues are mixed, GIFT Nifty indicates a weak start, key support levels will decide today's direction. Trade light, manage risk properly, and avoid emotional decisions in early volatility. So that's it for pre-market. If you find this pre-market report useful, like the video, share it with fellow investors, and subscribe to the channel for daily market updates. I'll see you in next video with post-market report. Till then, trade safe and stay disciplined. Akash Bacha, SEBI registered research analyst, founder at Wealth Origin. Have a profitable day ahead.